welcome to my channel. My name is Stacia. Today let's together make some cute crafts. I found different Japanese things and want to try to make them with my own hands. If you like this video, please let me know by giving a thumbs up. Well, I wish you a pleasant viewing and let's start. Unicorns are cool. So let's start with a cute unicorn mug. First, take some clay that hardens in the air. Split into parts and roll it. Twist in a horn. Now use the mug. Apply the part to it. And since it's just clay, I simply spread it around, and that's enough for the part to hold. Attaching ears. Oh, and let's make a wave like this. It's going to be a mane. Create a relief using a needle. Then color in. I use acrylic paint. Painting eyes and smile, possibly with the same paint. Or, like I here, use permanent marker for example. Looks kawaii. One could make such a mug as a present as well. I love large and cute phone cases, so don't be surprised with the next idea. And now let's together make such a kawaii neko case. Clean film, wrap a phone with it, so it stays clean. Cornstarch and silicone, you can find it in hardware stores. When the mud stops sticking to your hands, it means it's ready. Roll it out and mold. I redrew the kitchen from the internet. It's going to be a template. I use it to guide me through the molding. Great, now let's take paints. And better have acrylic one. Adding glue and painting a smile, eyes and so on. When the paint dries up, removing the excess. Also cutting all the required holes for buttons, charger, camera, and done. I think it looks very similar to what you can buy in shops. This sort of cases is pretty large. Not everyone likes this, but the kitten is cute, there's no doubt. This one is not only table decoration, but also a thing you can use to wipe dust away from your table or keyboard. We need to mold a bear from silicone or polymer clay. And it's not just a bear, it's Rilakuma, a very popular Japanese teddy bear. Okay, rolling out a circle. Put an oval on it. 2 small circles, that's ears. Then roll 4 small ovals, that's paws. After the mask hardens, paint in face, eyes, nose and smile. Now we need threads. Take 2 semicircle parts cut out of the cardboard. Join them with the staples and wind it around. First and second. Join 2 parts into a circle. Cut it and tie it with a thread. Form it and groom well. Glue the bear on top. Now you can put this into a container and it will stand decorating the table. And if you need, you can clean the keyboard. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe. See you soon and bye!